Hello students, this is a preview of lesson 1.19.3. Today we will work on your English conversation and reading skills. We begin dialogues 25 through 27 from our English course, American English Conversations 2. Designed for beginners, these dialogues help English learners improve their comprehension and communication skills. You're encouraged to read along and pronounce together with the video below. Once you finish, don't forget to share what you've learned via the comment section below. So, the first part is that we read the dialogues in English. There are 3 dialogues. Then we use the translator to translate them in your primary language, and you read these dialogues in your primary language. Okay? So, let's read these in English first. Dialogue 25, Making Plans. When shall we meet? You mean to talk about the party? Right, we really need to plan the party better this time. Remember what a mess it was at the last party? I sure do. I hope we'll do much more planning this time. Well, that's why we're going to meet tomorrow at my house. How does 7:30 sound to you? Fine by me. I'll call Jan and Judy. We'll see you tomorrow. Here's dialogue 26, Neighborhood Problem. We've got to do something about the neighbor's dog. Why? Has he been into your flower garden late again? The flower garden, the garbage can, and yesterday he started digging holes in the yard. Did you talk to Mrs. Gorham about it? You know how she is, all sweetness and light to your face. But then she never does anything. They should either keep that animal in the house or tied up. I'll talk to Hank about it tonight. He usually listens. We need more than listening, dear. We need action. And here's dialogue 27, Car Theft. Did you hear about what happened to Howard? No. What? Someone stole his car. Really? When did it happen? Last night. He left it parked in front of his girlfriend's house, and when he came out to go home, it was gone. Wow, that's really tough. He just bought it last month, didn't he? Uh-huh. Fortunately, he's got insurance, and the police think they already have a good lead. Well, I certainly wish him luck. So this was the dialogue. So now you can use any of these flags to translate. Let's say we translate into Japanese. So we click here. And now everything is translated into Japanese. We go back to English by clicking on the American flag. Let's see part 2. Part 2 says, watch, read along, and pronounce with the video below a minimum of 2 to 3 times. After you finish, let us know what you learned via the comment section below. So yes, please watch this 2 or 3 times to help improve your English listening comprehension, reading comprehension, and especially your English pronunciation. Okay, this is going to help you build your English pronunciation, as well as your comfort level in speaking in front of people and with people. All right, so please watch this at least 2 times, and then you can leave us a comment what you learned in this lesson. Put your name, put your email, and click post comment. Thank you very much, students, for doing lesson 1.19.3. Please do your best.